Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a PS5 with a Zen. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device has the latest firmware installed. You'll need a PS4 controller, your PlayStation 5 console, and the Zen device itself. This setup allows you to leverage your preferred controller for an enhanced gaming experience, bridging the gap between console generations. Make sure all components are ready before proceeding to the physical connections. Next, connect your Zen to the PS5. Use a short, high-quality USB cable from the Zen's A3 port to a USB port on your PlayStation 5. Then, plug your PS4 controller into the Zen's A1 port using another USB cable. This establishes the primary communication pathway. Ensure both connections are secure to prevent any interruptions during gameplay. The Zen acts as an intermediary, translating the controller's input for the console. Now, it's time for software configuration. Connect your Zen to a computer using the micro USB port on the back and open the Zen Studio software. Navigate to the Programmer tab and drag a suitable game pack or profile for your desired game onto one of the Zen's memory slots. Remember to save your settings to the device. This step customizes the Zen's behavior, optimizing your controller's performance. Finally, test your setup. Disconnect the Zen from your computer and reconnect it to your PlayStation 5. Power on your PS5 and verify that your PS4 controller is now recognized and fully functional. If you encounter issues, double-check all cable connections, ensure your Zen's firmware is up to date, and review your Zen Studio settings. Most problems can be resolved by carefully retracing these steps for a smooth gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.